Outstanding design defines the 2013 Honda Accord. This four-door, five-passenger sedan provides a satisfying ride for all passengers. It features a continuously variable transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine. Honda prioritized fit and finish as evidenced by a tachometer, a power seat, an automatic dimming rearview mirror, a blind spot monitoring system, lane departure warning, and seat memory. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. You and your passengers will enjoy the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 7 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Take assurance in side curtain airbags, providing head protection in the event of a severe collision. Our team is professional and we offer a no-pressure environment. We are here to help you.